this is Cindy with Create the Heart, and I'm back with another Halloween project. So this project is an altered bag. I've seen a lot of people doing these, so I picked up these bags in the Target dollar spot. I thought these would make cute little gifts for my daughter's dance team. So I've done a variety of things using things in my stash, as well as I also used a little die from Spellbinders. So this is actually, these are both pieces that I got from Tuesday Morning last year, the Boo and the Web. And then that right there is a Spellbinders. Let me show you all the different ones that I made. And then this one is using a Doodle Pop. And I'll show you what's inside of them in a minute, because I think, you know, I just want to know like what's in there. This one is another one using a Spellbinders die. And this is also using the Spellbinders die. This one is using the Ghost Spellbinders die. And then this one is from, I had gotten this cute little embellishment in a swap I did last year. It's like a ribbon ghost. So inside, let me show you what's inside of these little doohickeys. A really good way of using some of your larger embellishments, because that Boo's kind of big. I think it's kind of big. So let me show you what I put inside. So first, I had bought these last year, so I had these in my stash, so I had enough of them to fill. So I just put some candy inside, and that's in there. And then just a couple of things that I got from Michael's. I have the little bracelets, and then this little fun thing there, because these girls are older, so I don't want to do things that are too childish. So just something small to give to the dance team, just a little package of fun. And these altered bags are really, really fun. And also is a good way of using up these large web dies, or web pieces, because they are pretty big, like big. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. This is Cindy with Cricut Cards.